Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic token. There's been a massive pullout, a massive sell on Terra Classic token today. Almost $133 million has been pulled out of Terra Classic in the past 15 hours. Wow, I mean, that is a lot of money being pulled out of Terra Classic. Though 2 days ago we saw a massive increase in buying of Terra Classic, but you can see Terra Classic has also started dropping. Even Terra Classic is now dropping about 11% on price today, and same thing goes on for Terra Classic market cap. You can see that drop in price today have actually pushed some people to actually withdraw money, and you can see that almost $133 million have been pulled out of Terra Classic market cap on today alone. And I believe that doesn't mean Terra Classic is already pushing down, but Terra Classic will certainly increase in price. And even Bitcoin today is also on red. Binance, Ethereum are on red, but I still believe Terra Classic will gradually, Terra Classic, like we all said before, is not a coin that we just believe that in the next 3 months, 5 months, it will just pump 1000% because of the 1.2% tax bond. But though before they launched the 1.2% tax bond, a lot of people believe Terra Classic was going to pump up to 1 this December 2022. But you can see cryptocurrency is not that way. Everything is time, and when these coins will pump, you might not even know. That is why sometimes it's good when you see a particular coin, they have a good foundation, and coins like Terra Classic with the support from Binance founder CZ. Even CZ himself owns some Terra Classic coins. He so much support this coin. These are coins we know that anything might happen. You can see big crypto exchanges coming in supporting Terra Classic. Binance are really supporting. And now recently we have been hearing rumor of Coinbase actually purchasing almost 25% of LUNC coins. And I believe if that rumor can be true, then definitely Terra Classic massive pump is coming, because Coinbase can really influence an increase in price on the market cap of Terra Classic. But I still believe that this coin is going to pump very soon. I mean, a massive pump that will shock a lot of people, because with the rate of the burning, the rate Coinbase, the rate Binance, the rate so many crypto exchanges have been supporting this coin. But Coinbase, I believe, need to come and support Terra Classic. But let's keep hoping that the good is going to come in 2023. The massive pump is going to come in 2023. A pump that will be bigger than what we saw in 2022. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.